Hi viewers, today we will create common and local user in Oracle Multitenant database. The Multitenant option introduced in Oracle Database 12 onward. It allows a database to host multiple pluggable databases. When connected to a multi-tenant database, the management of users and privileges is different to traditional Oracle database. In multi-tenant environments there are two types of users, common user and local user. Common user is present in container and also present in all pluggable databases. Local user is only present in a specific pluggable database. This user can be present in other pluggable databases, but they are unrelated. First we create common user. To create this U, must be connected to common user with create privilege, and the current container must be the root container. Now let's start. First we have to start database 18C from Windows Services. Type Services in search bar and click on Services. Now scroll and go to Oracle Services. And start it. Database started. We also start a listener. Now open command prompt in administrator mode. Type TNS ping, space localhost, or localhost address, press enter. Listener is working fine. Now type SQL+/ as sysdba. Remember sys is a common user. Now we have two options. To create user, you can through SQL plus or GUI tool like Toad. We will use Toad to create user. Start Toad. Connect as user sys. Now we connected to database. Now we type SQL for creating user. You must type C# hash before username as it is necessary for creating common user. To run this SQL, press Ctrl plus Enter. Now user created. Give them create session privilege, so it can access to different resources. Now we try to connect with new user through Toad. New user connected to database. Similarly, if we want to create local user for specific pluggable database, we have to set pluggable container. Alter session set container is equal to pdb1. This container does not exist. So let's check from container view. This container is default pluggable container that comes with installation. Now we create local user. Remember, we must not start user with C##, as it is prefixed for common user. Now database local user created. We give it create session grant. Now we try to connect local user in Toad. It is connected now. We close Toad connection session. If we want to delete user, this is SQL query. As we are in pluggable container, Oracle will not allow to drop user. But we can drop local user. Local user dropped. Now we can go to root container. Here we drop common user. Now common user dropped. Thanks for watching. If you found it useful, please share it. Thanks.